it's enabled us with Virtustream and SAP. We were also the first customer to go live with ERP on HANA. We were the first customer to go live with S4 HANA. And we've really been able to leverage the innovation with Virtustream. I think actually it ended up pushing the envelope with SAP throughout the years, and it's worked really well. We're currently working on SAP Sapphire is coming up in a couple of weeks. And we're working with SAP and Virtustream together on a IoT big data proof of concept that we hope to leverage at Sapphire. And again, they were critical when we did HANA. They were doing HANA before SAP would offer it, to make that happen. So I think that leverage, and yet it was a partnership with SAP and Virtustream, at the same time. So as a corollary to that, if I may, I mean, the benefits that we saw from the business side, not only on the SAP side, when I said we're not running a data center, so then there are a couple of things that happened. What we looked at was TCO. That's the obvious one. And if you look at the traditional, I guess, hosting and virtualization back 6 years ago, and we anticipated a 25% reduction, we achieved 30% reduction. But what I tell people now, whether it was with Virtustream or HANA, et cetera, when you get some of these technologies, you can't imagine the benefits until you experience it. You start to see what can we do with the cloud. So I have practically eliminated CapEx from the process. So as a business person, that's hugely important because you had a fixed cost. You had to buy future capacity, right? Because you had to get the big deal up front. And now the micro VM with Virtustream has really turned that virtually into you pay for what you use. It's really critical. The other thing is then from a innovation standpoint, we can be very reactive, we're very agile. We can test something new. I spin up the instance, I try it, I don't like it, I turn it down. In the past, you would have to provision hardware, first get the funding of that, provision it, et cetera. So it's really been very, very liberating. And then working with the other partners, SAP, Virtustream, and such, then it's been, I think, added tremendous business value.
It answers